Welcome back, cruisers. This is Taylor with Vacationeer, and today we're stepping off the ship and checking out a massive addition to Norwegian Cruise Line's private island, Great Stirrup Cay. For years, the one thing holding this beautiful island back from competing with nearby destinations like Perfect Day Coco Cay was the lack of a proper pool area. Well, NCL heard us loud and clear. Say hello to the Great Life Lagoon. This is a brand new, jaw-dropping 1.4 acre pool complex that is an absolute game changer for your island day. And combined with the nearby Splash Harbor and gorgeous white sand beaches just steps away, this has become a family hub for the island. Now, before we jump into the tour, if you're looking to get the absolute maximum value out of your next cruise vacation, you can't beat the Vacationeer. When you work with a Vacationeer advisor, we can unlock exclusive promotions, onboard credits, and cabin perks that you simply cannot get when you book directly with the cruise line or on your own. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the link down in the description below to get the best value in cruising. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into the Great Life Lagoon. First, let's talk about the sheer scale of this addition to the island. The Great Life Lagoon features a staggering 28,000 square foot heated pool, making it larger than 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools combined. Best of all, access to this entire complex is 100% free and complimentary for all Norwegian Cruise Line guests. It's just a short walk from the brand new pier. Walk over the bridge and you see the Great Life Lagoon right in front of you. And because it's heated, it's the absolute perfect destination year-round, even better on those breezy winter sailings. NCL partnered with Martin Aquatic to engineer the space using state-of-the-art water filtration tech, meaning the water is crystal clear from edge to edge. Layout-wise, it's large enough that it has something for everyone. On one end, you have a gradual beach-style zero entry. This shallow zone is more the family area with fun bubbling water nozzles and vertical spray elements, making it the perfect spot for families and little cruisers to splash around. Along the side of the expansive pool layout, there are loungers that are set in shallow entry areas, and on the far side of the water, you'll find the DJ booth with a variety of entertainment throughout the day. But don't worry, adults, NCL did not forget about you. Built directly into the main body of the pool are 2 massive swim-up bars, anchoring either side of the lagoon, meaning you never have to choose between leaving the water and grabbing your next cocktail. Both the reef bar and the waves bar are also double-sided. That means you have an in-water swim-up side with submerged bar stools for the ultimate pool party experience, plus a dry walk-up side with comfortable seating underneath a massive shade roof. So if you want to hang out with friends who prefer to stay dry, or you just want to grab a drink without getting your hair wet, you can pull up to the stool on either side. As for what they're serving, it's all about proper tropical hydration. They are mixing up a spectacular menu of specialty, multi-layered frozen drinks, alcohol-free slushies, and signature rum punches that are fully covered if you have NCL's beverage package. Because the bars are located at opposite sides of the pool, they have slightly different energy. The reef bar located on the main energy side of the pool, this is where the party's at. It features those live DJs spinning all-day tropical beats, high-energy pool games, and even morning fitness classes. If you want a party vibe with a signature frozen cocktail in hand, this is your spot. Now, the waves bar is positioned on the opposite side of the lagoon near those family entries. This bar offers a slightly more laid-back, relaxing atmosphere. It's perfect for parents who want to sip a refreshing frozen treat while keeping a close eye on their kids playing nearby. And if you're traveling with little cruisers who have way too much energy to just sit around the pool, you are going to love what NCL built right next door. Just steps away from the shallow Great Life Lagoon complex is Splash Harbor. This is a brand new, completely complimentary 3,400 square foot kids splash pad zone that is packed to the brim with interactive fun, like massive dumping buckets, rain down water, and 3 awesome pint-sized water slides perfectly engineered for the younger kiddos. What I love most about the layout here is NCL surrounded the entire splash pad with a dedicated shade lounge area, and they built the Splash Harbor bar right next to it. That means parents can kick back in comfort under the canopy, grab a refreshing tropical drink from the bartenders, and easily keep an eye on all the action while the kids burn off all their energy. This is an absolute home run for families. But since Great Stirrup Cay is an island after all, if you want to transition from pool mode to classic island mode, on the reef side of the pool there's a set of stairs that lead you directly down to those beautiful white sand beaches and that gorgeous deep blue water. It's perfect for anyone who loves swimming, snorkeling, or just floating with a drink in hand. There are also tons of complimentary sun loungers set right up on the sand below, making it incredibly easy to walk back and forth throughout the day and pick the absolute perfect home base for your island experience. A little bit of pool fun, a little bit of beach fun, and a lot of splash for the kiddos. Now, if you want to elevate your pool day, there are 3 distinct private cabana options spread throughout the lagoon area, each offering a different level of occupancy and vibe. Kicking it off with the Great Life Lagoon Couples Cabana, these intimate daybed style retreats are built for 2. They're perfect for a couple who wants a dedicated home base with easy access to the swim up bars. You'll find these scattered throughout the area, with some positioned near the DJ for higher energy and some others tucked away for a bit more privacy. If you're looking for a better family or group option, you can step it up to the Great Life Lagoon Cabana. This holds up to 8 guests, and these are larger, shaded structures with lounge seating, ceiling fans, and a cooler stocked with ice and water. And finally, for those big groups or multi-generational travel, you have the Great Life Lagoon Grand Cabanas that can hold up to 12 guests. These massive pavilions are positioned in prime locations. There are several on the far side of the pool, on the family side, with a little bit quieter vibe, and a couple on the DJ side for maximum energy and featuring easier access to the white sand beaches located just below the pool area. The 2 larger cabana options also feature premium amenities like dedicated bar service, so you never have to leave the private sanctuary of your cabana, a bottle of sparkling wine, appetizers like chips and salsa, and fruit baskets upon arrival. Now, I want to emphasize a huge point here. You do not have to spend an extra dollar on this island if you don't want to. Great Stirrup Cay is absolutely stunning, and between the massive free-to-use Great Life Lagoon Pool complex and the incredible public white sand beaches and all the complimentary island buffets, you can have an unforgettable paradise day without breaking out your ship card once. But if you do want to treat yourself and look into those premium upgrades we talked about earlier, we have you completely covered. If you want to check out the Adults Only Vibe Shore Club, the brand new upscale water park, or the pinnacle of luxury inside the exclusive Silver Cove Enclave, we have full dedicated video overviews touring every single one of these spaces right here on the channel for you to check out. And before booking your cruise, make sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click that link down in the description to see what you've been missing and get the best value in cruising. And if you enjoyed this tour, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below letting me know the new feature on Great Stirrup Cay that you are most looking forward to. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer. Adventure is calling, and I'll see you at the next stop.